Alright guys, you're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set we just had done for a customer. 925 solid sterling silver. You got 8 on the top, 8 on the bottom. This is a plain, nice, no stones, just a shiny 925 sterling silver, guys. Handmade for a perfect fit. Show you the back side. So these snap right on the teeth. It's made from an actual impression of the customer's teeth, so it's designed to fit perfectly. These are real grills, guys. These are not fake pull-out silicone pre-made grills. Okay, these are the real thing. They're available on our website, blingcartel.com. Check us out, guys. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.